Hello everyone and welcome to another math video with Mr. Johnston. I've had a few special requests come in to do videos over some specific math skills. This video is going to be about changing mixed numbers to improper fractions as well as changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. So I'm going to start here with changing a mixed number to an improper fraction. Now it is a mixed number because it has a whole and then it also has a fraction involved with it. I'm going to draw a picture to kind of explain how it works first, just to get a little more better understanding, and then I'll show you a shortcut that works really easy. So this 3 wholes here is saying that, well, our fraction is in fourths. So each shape has 4 parts. And as you can see, I drew shapes in 4 parts, okay? So this 3 here means that we have 3 wholes, which would be equal to 4 fourths plus 4 fourths plus 4 fourths. Because 4 fourths would be a whole. So, and we have 3 of those. So we're going to shade in our 3 4 fourths. That's 2 wholes, and then that's 3 wholes there. So that is our 3 wholes. Now we have 2 fourths remaining. So this last shape, we got to shade in 2 fourths of it. So if you're following along, we have our 3 wholes, and remember each shape has 4 parts. So we have 1, 2, 3 wholes that are completely filled in. And then we have 2 fourths that are remaining. So in order to figure out our answer, all we would have to do is count our parts that are shaded. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 parts shaded. So that's our new numerator. And then our denominator stays the same. So we have 14 fourths. So 3 and 2 fourths equals 14 fourths. That's how you would change a whole mixed number into an improper fraction. All right, now that we have a little bit of understanding of what this whole number means, I'm going to go ahead and show you that shortcut and how this can be done easy without drawing the pictures, okay? So all we have to do here is you multiply the denominator, which is the bottom number, times the whole number. All right, so 4 times 3 equals 12. All right, so 4 times 3 equals 12, and then you add the numerator. So 4 times 3 equals 12 plus 2, 12, 13, and 14 gives us 14 fourths, just like we had before. So multiply the denominator by the numerator, or I'm sorry, multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then add the numerator. So bottom times the whole number plus the top number gets you that same answer as if you drew the pictures. That's kind of the shortcut that we can use. All right, as you can see now, we have an improper fraction, which is 14 fourths. It's an improper fraction when you have more on your numerator is greater than your denominator. I'm going to show you again just to kind of get some good understanding of what this means. And then we'll go ahead and show you kind of a little bit quicker way. Either way, the quicker way for me is not as fast as the mixed number to improper, but we'll go ahead and show you that here in just a minute. So this is saying that we have 14 fourths. So we have 14 parts that we need to shade in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So now we had our denominator tells us how many parts we have. So we had 4 parts in each shape. And then we had 14 parts that needed to be shaded in. So we got our 14. Now we're going to go through and figure out how many whole numbers we have. So this is 4 fourths, so that's a whole. So that's 1 whole. I like to circle it. And this is another whole here. That's 2. And then another one would make 3. And then the last one, we have 1, 2 parts out of 4 shaded. So that leaves us with 2/4. So we're going to go back and count how many holes we have now. 1, 2, 3. And then what's our fraction that we're left with? That would be 2/4. So 14/4 equals 3 2/4. All right, now I'm just going to show you a different way to solve this where you don't have to necessarily draw a picture. We're just going to lay out our 4s, okay? So we're going to draw all of our multiples of 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. And then 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, or you can count up 4, add 4 more, you get 8. Add 4 more, you get 12. Add 4 more, you get 16. All right, 16 is too much because we only have 14 to work with, all right? You can't go over, so we have to stay under. So now, how many times can 4 go into 14 without going over? Well, that's going to be 1, 2, 3 times. So we can put our 1, our 2, and our 3. And that right there is our third whole number. So we have 3 holes there. Now, 12 is not 14. We're still off a little bit. So let's just count on. We'll start at 12 and get to 14, all right? 12, 13, 14. So that leaves us with 2. That's the fraction that we have. And then our denominator is just going to stay the same. Leaves us with 2/4. So it's kind of like drawing a picture, but we're using numbers instead of a picture, okay? So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 gets us as close to 14 as we can get without going over. And then from 12 to 14, it leaves us with 2. And then that's 2/4 would be our fraction. So 3 2/4 there. Hopefully this video has helped you some. If you have watched this video and you are still very confused, please let me know. And I can give you some more instruction. Or we can work together and make sure we get this fixed.